Hi, welcome to Touch and Go eWallet tutorial by How Tools. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your Play Store and search for Touch and Go eWallet for installations. Okay, the installations is pretty straightforward. Just make sure you have downloaded the correct app with the correct logo. Okay, after the installations, you will need to open up the app. To make sure that you give all the necessary permissions to the Touch and Go eWallet app. The sign up process is pretty straightforward. You will need to use your phone number. Do remember that the eWallet account is tied to your phone number. So key in your phone number and enter the OTP that you receive on the SMS. So after that, you will need to enter your 6-digit PIN. Do remember your 6-digit PIN, as you will need to use your 6-digit PIN whenever you pay with your eWallet. Next, you will need to set your security questions. Do use your full name as per IC number, as you will need to submit all this documentation for your account verification later. So make sure you entered your correct IC number and your correct email. After that, you will receive the options to enter your referral code. Feel free to use our referral code if you want to. So the code is listed on the description below. Or you can type in the letter AZ2DTN on your referral code. So there you go, you have successfully registered for an eWallet account. The first thing you need to do is probably to verify your account. Click on the top right corner of the app. Next, scroll down to account verification. You will then have the options to verify your account with MyCard or passport. So as a Malaysian, it's probably better to use MyCard for your account verification. Next, you will need to take the front and back photo of your MyCard. Do make sure that the MyCard that you are verifying has the same info with the details that you registered, or else the verification process may fail. So it will take less than 1 day for your Touch and Go wallet to be verified, and then you can fully use the functionality of the Touch and Go eWallet.